Alright guys, today I'm going to do a little bit of a 1 year review on this grinder that you're looking at right here. Now I got this grinder and shipped to me, delivered to my front gate for just over $1,000. It is made in China, it's a Vevor. But you know what, when you compare it to the $6,000 that you're going to pay for an American made, which, man, that's desirable. They're smooth, they're balanced, the American made ones, but they're very, very high. So to get started with a 2x72, this is a really good option. Now, let me show you all that it came with. And y'all have seen this before. I use it in pretty much all my videos there. Now they came with a step up, box. Now I ain't no electrician, so I don't know all about that kind of stuff, but this allows me to plug it into 110. It steps up to 220. It's got a 2-horse motor on it. I've never bogged it down. It goes up to 5,000 RPM. Comes with the VFD. Now this is all in the box, okay? And the VFD goes from, I've had it as low as 8 to 5,000. Now 5,000 to take off. Now, let me go over here right quick and show y'all. It comes with all of the stuff I just showed you, plus an attachment. That's a 10-inch contact, or contact wheel. And then it's got the adapters that you can put the 1-inch wheels, which y'all see right here. And I believe it's 1.5 inches. Now on the American made, you gotta buy all that stuff separate, right? You can buy it in a kit, but I'm sure it's gonna cost you a whole lot more. So I just wanted to tell y'all that I've ground out, well, y'all watch the videos and y'all seen all of the knobs that I've ground out with this. Like I said, I've never bogged it down. It's solid, it's quiet, and it's a well-balanced machine. I'd highly recommend it for anyone looking to jump up from a 2x42, which is what I got. I started with a 4x36, then I went with 2x42. And then this little gem right here shipped to me for just over $1,000. And it comes with a table, work table, but I took that off. Sometimes I still use it, don't get me wrong, but it is something more comfortable about focusing on a freehand grind and getting that right. And I put a glass platen on it because the platen that came with it, good platen, it was flat, but on a metal platen, as you work, it'll dish. And then you're not getting accurate grinds. You can't flatten your stuff anymore, and it's just no good. So $15 I invested to upgrade to that glass platen. And you can say what you want to about the glass platen, the ceramic glass. It's flat. It keeps my work at least 2/3 cooler than just, because it just dissipates the heat. It stays flat, and it comes with a double-sided sticky tape. I didn't do nothing but just rough up the platen, rough up the ceramic glass, and then put that tape on there, and it's holding just like my G-Flex holds them handle scales on my knobs. Now, let me back y'all up just a little bit and show you what we got coming up. I showed y'all this one here last week, I believe it was. It's ready for hand sand. I'm fixing to do that this afternoon. And I got me a little chunk of Damascus that I'm going to be forging out this week. And I've got 2 billets out there that I'm going to be forging, stacking, and before I'm going to take y'all along for that. But we're going to make a nice little knife out of that. Whatever comes out of it, it'll let me know whenever it's time. And then I got me another little old neck knife right here. This one here is ready to be finished. You see what I mean? I got to do a little more work on this, and then, refine my bevels on that a little bit. And everybody seemed to like the file knife. Now this is not an Irwin or nothing like that, but it's the brand is called Elite. And y'all see me, I made a dagger out of it. And so I'm gonna go ahead and make another one out of this file right here. It's brand new, and more than likely it's gonna be 1095 steel, because that's pretty much what I think they do all of the files with. And we're gonna get that out. And I'm thinking about doing a Patreon page and do a monthly giveaway with something like this that I make. It'd be good enough, you see what I mean? And I'll get back with y'all on that Patreon thing and see if that works out how much of a pain it's gonna be to do that. But that's just a little old short video right here, and I'm gonna go on and get to work on a hand sand. I ain't gonna bore y'all with that because y'all seen that plenty of times. Now, let me take you over here too. Another thing we're gonna be doing, because we got shut down this week at work, so I'm gonna have a whole 9 days to play. And I've had this piece of 5160 right here for 3 years now, and it was a 4-foot bar, and y'all see what's left. 1/4 inch thick and probably 10 inches long. I'm gonna be forging this, and I don't know if I can get a live stream going on or not. Don't really matter about that part, but I'm gonna be forging this into a chef's knife, and we're gonna see what goes on with that. Y'all come along for the ride.